What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now I'm in Buckhead, Georgia / Atlanta at the JW Marriott. Just wrapped up a very productive meeting with some local real estate developers. I really just wanted to make this video as a shout out to any of the local investors here in Atlanta or any of the surrounding areas. If you're considering expanding your reach from a development standpoint, definitely keep us in mind at Paramount Property Investments. We provide investors with sound real estate deals that can be purchased at a discount. We have property managers that we can refer you to if you're looking for a rental return. We can refer you to a contractor that can fix up the property, or any other team member necessary to facilitate a sound real estate deal. So if you want more details on our system in Northeast Ohio, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220.